Brighter than halogen, LASFIT H11 LED bulb come with flip chip, which has higher luminous efficiency and brightness. 200% brighter than factory halogen bulbs, and you will have better driving vision on width and length on distance when you drive at night. Beam pattern improvement. LASFIT H11 fog light bulb is designed based on halogen H11 bulb, which perfectly simulates the beam pattern of factory halogen bulbs. No glare and dark spots, you'll get a better view in bad weather, to ensure you a safe drive no matter in rainy, snowy or foggy days. Easy to install. The H11 LED fog light bulbs are wireless, fanless and all-in-one design, almost the same size as the stock halogen bulbs. Non-polarity socket design, plug and play, just directly replace the original halogen bulb with our LASFIT LED bulbs and enjoy your drive. 30,000 hours, LASFIT H8 LED fog light bulbs adopt an unique hollow carved heatsink and full-body aviation aluminum material so as to provide faster and stable heat dissipation to maximize the lifespan and performance of LASFIT L1 plus H11 bulbs. What you get: 2-year warranty and local professional customer support help you out soonest. The L1 plus H11 LED bulb is with built-in driver, compatible with 98% vehicle systems, no radio interference, fit for H8, H11, H16, JP, H11LL, H8LL. Notes. The filter system may not be 100% accurate or up to date. Please check your owner's manual or the part number on your original bulbs to confirm. Feel free to contact us for any questions. Top reviews from the United States. Good products so far. They look to be of good quality.